Hey guys, it's Serena, and for today's video I'm going to be filming this really pretty like purpley sunset kind of lime green halo eye. I think it's a really pretty like festival kind of look. You guys can add some jewels to it. Oh my gosh, my lash is coming off, y'all. Oh my gosh, hold please. As I was saying, you guys could add some really cute jewels to it, some sparkles, more glitter on the face, a glitter lip, anything to make it a little bit more festival-y, I guess. So yeah, I wanted to come back with a makeup tutorial. I know I've been gone and MIA for a little bit. I took a little bit of a break from social media, but your girl is back and better than ever. Oh, before you finish watching this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also click that bell notification button to be notified every time your girl posts a new video. Also follow me on all my social media sites. They'll be linked down below in the down bar, as well as the end card of this video. And without further ado, let's just see how your girl got this makeup look. Period. Alright you guys, starting off with this tutorial, I'm going to be taking my NYX Vixen eyeshadow and putting it on my brow bone just to set. I already applied my Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden, so I just like to set the brow bone just so when I blend my shadows, the brow bone doesn't get patchy. Now hopping into my James Charles palette. I don't have the color names anymore because I lost the sheet, but I'm going to be taking the dark purple color on a small ColourPop brush and kind of just patting it. You guys know how I do. I keep my base sticky so it's not set at all. Just pat down the purple color first in a circular motion, and then I start blending out the edges just so we can keep adding each different layer of a color every time. So you don't have to be too precise with this. Just pat on the color and then blend out the edges very lightly. Then I'm going to be taking that medium kind of pinky shade and taking it on a smaller Morphe brush, and I'm going to be putting that on the second layer of the eye. So just keep building up the colors in the crease, just patting it on there first, right where I ended the purple, and then I'm just going to be blending it out a little bit to transition on to the next color. Then for the next color, I'm taking the very light hot pink color. I'm going to be putting that right above the like kind of burgundy-ish purple shade we just used. This is our third color in the crease. We have one more color. I'm just going to keep doing the same steps, patting it on the end of where we ended the last color and then blending it out very lightly. Last but not least, I'm taking this orange color on a very small detailed Sigma brush. I'm going to be putting that right underneath my brow bone. A lot of people don't have space for like more colors, but if you guys do, add as many as you can or would like. So yeah, I'm just going to be taking that orange color, putting it in my brow bone and blending it on the outer edges of the entire look, since this is our last color for the crease. Then to cut my crease, I'm taking the ColourPop, this is the concealer, this is in the Fair 00 shade. I'm just going to be putting it in the center of my lid with a flat Morphe brush just to cut out a halo eye. Going back into that palette, this step was kind of pointless, but I'm just taking a shimmery shade, I think this is Face from the palette, and just setting that color. It's going to get covered up anyway, but I just wanted a shimmery base for what I'm about to do. Going back into the palette, I'm taking the dark purple again just to blend out the edges so they don't look harsh. Then I'm going to the Daisy palette by BH. I'm just going to be taking that lime shade, I think it's called Slime, putting that in the center of the lid, and then going back to the James palette again and taking that pink color we used before just to add a little bit more dimension. So I know it's a lot of steps, but it ends up really pretty, so just trust the process. Then moving on to the fun part, I'm taking some glitter. I'm just taking the NYX glitter and this NYX Glitter Primer. I'll have all the names of everything down below. I'm just going to be taking that and putting it in the center of my lid. Obviously putting the primer on first and then putting the glitter on top so it can adhere to it. Now onto the face. I did my face off camera, my base, and I'm just going to show you guys the basics. So I'm just going to take my Sigma blush, and this is so good, you guys. I love this shade. I'm going to put this on my cheekbones, and you guys know I have a code with Sigma, so that will be down below if you guys want to save some quaint. Then I'm just taking my Fenty powder and just baking the sides of my cheekbones and also my nose, just so I can be snatched for the festival, even though I ain't going nowhere, but you know, a girl can dream. Then for my under eyes, I'm just taking the same shades we used on top down below. So I'm just starting with the pink, and then the light pink, and then the orange, and then lastly I'm going to go back with that dark purple just to deepen everything up, but basically doing the same exact steps that you did on the lid. Then after I wipe off that bake, I'm just going to be spraying my face with some setting spray from Skindinavia, just so my highlight will be popping. For highlight, y'all know one of my faves is the Anastasia loose highlighter in So Hollywood. They just came out with it and it's super good, so I would definitely recommend. Then I'm going to be putting on my lashes off camera, so I'm taking the Nime Beauty Mary Lash. You guys know I love these so much. I love the company, and I do have a discount code for Nime Beauty as well, so if you guys want to check that out, it'll also be down below. I'm just going to be taking my favorite lip liner, the NYX Brown, and then in the center I'm putting Yash from MAC lipstick. And to top it off, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Y'all know Diamond Milk is my shit, so I'm taking that on top. And just spraying my face with some all-nighter from Urban Decay so my makeup lasts all day and the look is complete. Alright you guys, this is the end of my really pretty sunset kind of festival-y halo eye look. Before you guys leave this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Also follow me on all my social media sites. They will be linked down below in the down bar as well as the end card of this video. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys!